So what we're going to cover in this tutorial is how to create custom materials and then apply them to a part. In this case we've got a multi-body part. You can see here we've got this child's drinking mug, but we've then got the liquid which is sat inside the mug. So it's a two-body part. But if you can apply materials to single body parts, it's just that rather than finding the individual bodies in the solid bodies folder like this, you would apply the material at the part level up here. So the way that you apply a material is you find the entity that you want to apply it to. So that would either be the part up here or the solid body down here, and then you right click on it, go to material and edit material, and what that does is it calls up the standard Solidworks library of materials, which you could use one of these. There's quite a wide range of possibly suitable materials for this. Maybe a polypropylene would be quite suitable, but let's say for whatever reason we want to create our own material. The way that you have to do that is select the custom materials folder here, and then right click, and you add a new category first. So we may call this drinking mug materials, and then once you've created a new category you can right click on it and go new material, and you get a new material here with some default values and with the name default. Let's change that. Let's call this custom polypropylene, and then you can just simply go into the boxes down here and just change these values to whatever values you require. So we've got things like elastic modulus here, density, yield strength, thermal conductivity. So you can modify these. You can just click in these boxes and modify the values as you require. And then once you've finished with that, if you click on apply, it then saves a copy of your new material and applies it to the part that you'd selected. So you can see here that the cup now has our custom material applied to it, custom polypropylene. So let's say the material on the inside of the cup we want to set as just water. Now water is available in the standard database, so if you right click on that body, go to material, edit material, and then just look in the Solidworks materials library. I think water is in the other non-metals option. Yep, there we go, water, and you've got the relevant data for water in there, mainly being the density. So if you apply that and close, and it's applied the water material to the inside body there. So one extra thing that you may need to consider when you're creating custom materials is where are they being stored. If you're working on a managed system, then you may not be allowed to store that data on the default C drive location. You may need to specify a different location that you have write access to. So the way that you would do that is down here in the options menu. So if you click on options and then go to file locations, and we're looking for the materials database option here. So you can see that the ones on this system are all set to locations on the C drive, but if you don't have access to the C drive you can add a new one in here. So add, and you can pick a different drive and set that as the drive that you want to store all your custom databases on. So that's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was useful.